Introducing Polar Tensor, a next-generation AI-driven algorithmic trading system built to last. Before we continue, it's important to acknowledge that cryptocurrency markets involve significant risk and are not suitable for everyone. Digital asset values are highly volatile and can fluctuate rapidly. There is no guarantee of profit, and losses are possible. Participation requires independent research and personal responsibility. You should never risk more than you can afford to lose. Now let's get back to Polar Tensor. Our founder and CEO, Mr. Felix Bick, was born and raised in Hamburg, Germany, where he began his career in private banking. Early exposure to global finance and capital markets built the foundation for his deep understanding of financial systems and strategic investment structures. Over 2 decades ago, Felix relocated to Hong Kong to join Li & Fung, one of the largest supply chain management companies in the world. There, he leveraged machine learning and artificial intelligence to optimize end-to-end logistics operations while connecting thousands of suppliers around the world. This experience in large-scale data analysis and pattern recognition ultimately led to the development of Polar One, a proprietary AI-driven algorithmic trading system designed to navigate digital asset markets with precision and intelligence. As the founder of Polar Corporation, Mr. Bick's vision is to build a comprehensive financial ecosystem, serving customers globally and operating within one unified network. His mission is to position Polar as a major market leader, delivering innovation, transparency, and intelligent financial solutions. Polar Corporation stands on 3 core pillars: Polar Tensor, our flagship AI-driven trading system; Polar Money, our digital banking bridge between fiat and crypto; and Polar Research, our innovation engine focused on advanced algorithmic development and machine learning. Together, these 3 pillars form a unified ecosystem built for scalability, efficiency, and sustainability. Polar Corporation is strategically structured for global growth, with corporate registrations in multiple jurisdictions. This framework supports regulatory alignment, operational durability, and long-term expansion. Transparency remains a core priority. By engaging KPMG, one of the world's leading independent audit firms, Polar Tensor reinforces its commitment to governance, accountability, and operational integrity. Now let's introduce Polar One. Polar One is a neural network algorithmic trading software powered by advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning. It executes high-frequency trades with institutional-grade precision across global crypto markets. Development began in 2018, leading to the Polar One software officially launching in 2020 and operated successfully until 2022. At this time, over the following 18 months, the software was refined and enhanced for greater stability and performance. In April of 2024, Polar One was officially relaunched and deployed on Binance, the largest and most secure crypto exchange in the world. Polar One integrates directly with Binance, enabling real-time trade execution, AI-powered market analysis, and institutional-grade performance. Today, the software continues to deliver stable and consistent results, and we are proud to announce that Polar One is officially available to users worldwide. Let's take a closer look at how it works.
Hello, and welcome to a deeper dive into our Polar One AI. We've been developing cutting-edge trading algorithms since 2018 and had our first major success in 2020 with AI-powered models. After that, our software ran successfully until the FTX collapse in 2022. We used the time after that to improve our software for over 1.5 years, and it's been running on Binance since April 2024. Let's take a look at all of this. First, we'll start with our Polar One AI. Here, on the dashboard, we can see the account balance, the P&L of today, the average weekly profit, and the performance metrics. Our software trades Monday to Friday, so since today is Saturday, the P&L for today is 0 USDT as no trades have been executed. Further down, we have various visualizations of the statistics, including capital growth, which we'll revisit in a bit. The trading pair's performance shows how frequently each trading pair is traded and how much profit it has accumulated. Now, let's head over to the Binance Assets overview. Here, we can see the same amount of USDT in both our software and Binance. The balance on Binance is higher because we have BNB on the account for VIP status, which gives us the lowest possible fees. The software only reflects USDT and the percentage earned on it. In the chart, we can see how the account balance has changed over time. This is shown both on Binance and in our software. Next, let's look at the P&L analysis. Here we can check how the account performed over the last 7 days and 30 days. You may notice that the numbers aren't exactly the same as in the software. That's because of the BNB in the account, which is used for VIP status. Since the BNB price fluctuates, it's also factored into the P&L, which is why the numbers differ in the software. Let's now take a look at the order history. Since we don't use leverage, the software only trades on spot. Spot orders are buy or sell orders at the current market price with immediate delivery. Here, we can see various orders along with their details. If we check the order history in the software, we can see the same orders as in Binance. In the trade history, you can get a much clearer idea of how many trades the software executes. Over the last 6 months, there have been more than 250,000 pages of trades. Let's take a deeper look at how the decision for each trade is made. If we click on a trade, we can see 100 experts. These are 100 independent AI models, each trained on different data. The software now receives the price data for this pair, in this case for Solana through the Binance API. Each of these models analyzes the data and provides a value between -1 and +1. -1 means the model concludes a strong sell, and +1 means a strong buy. For this trade, we can see that 87 out of 100 models were included. The ones excluded are considered outliers, or models that are excessively strong in one direction. At the agreement stage, we can see the results: 47 buys, 17 holds, and 23 sells, leading to a median of 0.236. The threshold for holding is between -0.150 and +0.150. Since the median of 0.236 is above 0.150, it results in a buy. Now, let's look at another trade, this time with Bitcoin. We can see that 95 models were included, with a median of 0.187, which again leads to a buy. Finally, here's another buy for Ethereum. All of these decisions are made in milliseconds. Thanks for your attention, and we hope you enjoyed this deeper look into our Polar One AI.
Accessing Polar One is streamlined and fully automated. After enrollment, users only need a minimum of 100 USDT to activate the software. A one-time 10% license fee applies to each deposit. The 10% license fee activates the software, while 90% of each deposit is allocated directly to the user's account balance for trading. Polar Tensor applies a performance fee based on account tiers. This fee begins at 50% on the starter tier and decreases progressively to as low as just 20% at the top tier. Trading activity occurs 5 days per week, Monday through Friday, from 8:00 a.m. to 10:00 p.m. UTC time, and profit distributions are issued each and every Friday. It's important to note that there's no capital lock period. Users may withdraw their trading balance in full or in part at any time. Early withdrawals are only subject to a 10% early withdrawal fee within the first 12 months, only 5% after 12 months, and there is no fee at all after 24 months. Weekly distributed earnings and referral rewards may be withdrawn once every 24 hours, with no percentage-based withdrawal fee. Only a flat 2 USDT transaction fee applies on all withdrawals. Polar Tensor accepts deposits in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, USDT, USDC, or Visa or MasterCard. Withdrawals are available in USDT and USDC using supported networks, or you can receive your withdrawals directly onto your Polar Money Visa card. Moving on to the final pillar of Polar Corporation is Polar Money. Experience seamless banking with multi-currency accounts, instant transfers, and integrated crypto services. With a dedicated bank account, you have a personal IBAN, direct deposit availability, and global transfers to send money worldwide with ease. It's easy to manage your crypto portfolio with over 50+ digital assets and major cryptocurrencies, DeFi tokens, and staking rewards. Polar Money is a unified finance hub, merging your traditional finance with the crypto revolution in one sleek interface. The Polar Money Visa card allows you to spend your crypto anywhere, with seamless conversion and worldwide acceptance. Bridge the gap between traditional finance and cryptocurrency with Polar Money. Users can access Polar Tensor and Polar Money through the web or via the mobile app, available in the Google Play and the Apple App Stores. The power of Polar One is always in the palm of your hand. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief overview. We look forward to seeing you at one of our live online events soon. Be sure to reconnect with the person who invited you to watch this presentation, get your questions answered, and explore your next steps. We're excited to welcome you to the Polar Tensor community, and here's to your success.